Today's lesson is lesson 6. The goal of the lesson is to build and decompose a kilogram, to reason about the size and weight of 1 kilogram, 100 grams, 10 grams, and 1 gram. I'm going to do homework problem 1A to help us understand this lesson. It says to use the chart to help you answer the following questions. Isaiah puts a 10-gram weight on a pan balance. How many 1-gram weights does he need to balance the scale? In class today, we learned that this place value chart, if you think of it, these are thousands, these are hundreds, these are tens, and these are ones. That may help the students relate to the numbers better. But if Isaiah puts a 10-gram weight on a pan balance, and if the kids won't even want to draw imaginary balance, and on this side is a 10-gram weight, here's a 10-gram weight, how many 1-gram weights do they need to put on the other side to balance the scale? So if we're using the place value chart, we have what we do is we have 10 of these. So if you have 10 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When the students learned about place value charts, they knew that once you had 10, you would bundle them and you'd move them to the next column. So 1 gram, 10 grams is equivalent, right? So this now becomes 10 grams. So the reasoning for that is 1 times 10 is 10. And so what you would do is you would have to draw 10 of these. You'd have to draw 10 on this side of the scale. You'd have to draw, and these have to be small because there's 10 of them. But to balance the scale, you would need 10 of these on that side, because 10 times 1 is 10. So that's kind of how you're going to use the place value chart, as well as some multiplication, maybe even some division, to solve these problems. But another thing we learned today in class was there are 1,000 grams. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. We learned that today as well. Because the word kilo by itself means 1,000. Just like there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Because kilo means 1,000.